Ooh. Oh my god, I shouldn't have done that. What's up, guys? It's me, Keon. Welcome back to the video. Today, we are going to be playing with slime. Look at that mustache, though. Wait. Old Donald had a farm. E-I-O. So, yeah. We are going to be stretching this. I put it in a container to dry, but it didn't turn out that well. So, yeah. And then over here I have this other gold slime. And then over here I have Planet Putty, which I never use anymore. But let's open up anyway, because I have my own slime. You won't believe how... Ew, I think I'm going to throw this out. Ew, it's disgusting. Disgusting, you guys. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Anyways, let's get back to this. That was disgusting. So it starts out like that, but then you have to stretch it. So, oh, by the way, I want to show you something. Well, who needs hands? Because you can always get some on fingers. Pew, 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 pew. That wasn't kind of a roast, but it was still funny. Okay. So, this is how I did it. So, I attached a bunch of green finger hands, and then I was like, who needs hands when you have a lot of them? And then I put them on my finger. Ah, good times, good times. Not good times, funny times. Ah, funny times, funny times. Ah, wait. What do you think would happen if I got an idea. So let's stretch the slime out. Okay, stretch the slime out big, and now we do that. I did it. I actually did it. Dun, dun, dun! See, it sticks. It actually sticks. Okay, well, let me put... It left a mark. Wow. And it fell. Woohoo! And I almost fell. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button so hard in the face. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye. Old MacDonald had a farm. His mustache is not blonde.